Let us discuss about plant growth regulators. So, plant growth regulators are simple chemical components. These are synthesized in different places and transported or translocated to other parts, and they show the effect in different parts. Here, the plant growth regulators are derived or synthesized from different chemical components. Here, indole compounds. Indole compounds. From indole compounds, indole acetic acid, it is synthesized. Here, indole acetic acid and indole butyric acid. These are the indole compounds. So, these are auxins. And some terpenes also. Here some terpenes are also acting as plant growth regulators. Terpenoids are terpenes. Gibberellic acid. And some components are the derivatives of adenine. Adenine derivatives. Adenine is a nitrogen base. Adenine is a nitrogen base. From this nitrogen base or purine, here some plant growth regulators are synthesized, like N6 furfuryl aminopurine. It is also called as kinetin, involving in the cell division, kinesis. Some are carotenoids. Like abscisic acid, ABA, abscisic acid. And some plant growth regulators are in the gaseous form. Gases are also acting as plant growth regulators, like ethylene. So, these are some chemical components here: auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, abscisic acid, ethylene. So, auxins are indole components, or IAA, IBA, these are indole components, and gibberellic acid is terpenoids, or they are derived from terpenes. And N6 furfuryl aminopurine, they are derived from adenine, nitrogen base. Abscisic acid, here it is the derivative of carotenoid, carotenes, or sometimes xanthophylls also. Here ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone. It is the gas, it is present in the form of gas. So, it is also acting as plant, it is also regulating the plant growth. So, these are the some plant growth regulators derived from different components, or they are derived from different chemical components.